Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my friend Sandy. So we're making slime right now. This slime is from my friend Valeria. So I'm just gonna be wasting this whole bottle and then I'm having one more water bottle, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna be talking to her. Do you got some tea to spill?
No.
Me either. This is like a little bit of glue, but it's fine. She don't really care. We're like right here, like if you hear cars, it's like we're outside. Because we're going to be doing this color.
Let me see it.
Huh?
Color.
We're going to add more glitter. So I'm just using all the glue. Until like there's like no like gloves or anything. So school is boring, as always. Ooh, got on the floor. You guys already know how to make slime, I think. I mean, everyone knows how, right?
Babies.
Wait, this Wednesday we're making slime on this one.
Look it. It's aesthetic. Guys, do you know what aesthetic is?
If you have TikTok. Bro, that's too much.
Falling.
Because it's too much.
Look it, look it, look it, look it. Oh. I'm gonna pick it up right now.
Sandy.
Oh my, I'm gonna pick it up right now. Oh my god, it feels like glitter. It's
Okay.
so, I want it to be pink.
Okay, so we're done doing the glue.
We're done.
Now we're gonna put top. I'm gonna like
Put it upside down so it knows it's like.
If you can't see my face, then I'm sorry. I'm gonna have like right here.
Sorry.
Okay, now I'm gonna here. Oh, thought we had to get the tide on my arm.
Another bowl?
No. Cause like these are the ones they use. Like my mom doesn't use them.
Why did you throw them away?
I don't know. So I didn't feel like going upstairs.
Do you even know how to edit?
You just do it and then you post it.
I'll help you.
No, you don't have to edit.
I'll show you.
You go on YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, you go on YouTube, you put record, and then you post it.
I'll show you.
Okay, but I don't need help at all. I don't need help on anything, but I only need help on math and schoolwork. I had too much.
Do you know how to do the dun? Like the dun? No.
What do you mean? Well, I think I added too much time. Look, it's like gloopy, but I guess it's fine. Look, it's like really gloopy. Ooh. Oh, I added too much, I think. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in like this, so I won't be wasting it. That means I won't be dropping it. A cheap version.
Look it.
Oh my god, why do you keep on staring? Oh my god, that's Danny's brother. He's not even
Not even what?
a cholo.
I know.
So
He
right
is.
now,
He is.
but he doesn't look like one.
He is.
But he doesn't look like one.
He does he's not a troll, he just does the graffiti on the wall. He does that.
So right now, like the police was like chasing a kid. He ran like right here, like right in front of us. Like, boom. He went over there, and then the police was like right next to him, and they didn't notice him because he had the hoodie on. Like, bro. Okay, now I'm gonna add the glitter.
Do you have a do you have a bag?
Yeah, well, I'll get it right now. When we're done making like all the slimes. So I'm just gonna make Valeria's and I'm done. And then tomorrow, or maybe later, I'll make one for myself. She told me she loved me in California. She's gonna call me right now, watch.
What if I could make slime on the ground?
No, honey boo.
Like, no
No bowl.
No bowl, no
Mixing utensil.
spoon. Challenge.
Challenge. Funny how you say it.
Challenge.
If we're not talking, we're
Challenge.
something.
Challenge. Challenge. School challenge stuff. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna go get
It's still sticky. Actually, this one's gonna be for me, and I'm gonna make literally like a pink slime because I don't want to like be mad of the color. So I'm just gonna make her a pink slime. It smells bad,
It smells like Thai.
right? Okay, if I need Tide, then you have to give me Tide. Okay, I need Tide now. I
Now?
need Tide. A little. Sandy, you added a lot. It's gonna be hard. Like, don't you always like realize this? Like when you try to add a little, you put a lot, and it's really fun. That's what I hate. Haven't made slime in a long time. Imagine if we didn't have the time when we put it right there, it would have just fallen right by now.
Yeah, I would fall. Imagine the Thai fell.
No, but if like it's like my phone's gonna go down because that goes down. So like all the way to the edge.
Your phone is gonna go. Oh, what if your phone cracks? What'd you do if your phone cracked at school?
My mom and dad will be mad at me. Well, especially my dad.
What would you do if somebody cracked your phone?
I'll beat them up, even though if they're big, they're fat, they're chubby.
What would you do if they were a 6th grader and they broke your phone?
I'll still punch them.
That's it, and you're gonna start crying, huh?
Yeah, this is my phone. But like, I feel like I want to break it. Easy tip to break it.
We have to do a thumbnail too.
No. Ready? Let's do the thumbnail. So he just face. I hope it's a good thumbnail. Wait, let's go like this. Okay, that's enough. We're like so creepy here. We need to clean up this mess. We always make messes like in our neighborhood, and then they get in trouble.
Did they get you in trouble next time?
No. It's not raining no more.
I know, last time it was raining like so hard. I'm gonna go get chips.
I already have hot Cheetos. I got like a whole bag. And I'll put them in a bowl now. But I'm not ready to eat again. I'm full. Okay, so we're gonna end the video right now.
So, I'm gonna end it right now.
Okay then.
So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, she might be in most of my videos.
So, I'm gonna go get chips.
We could do like the blindfold.
Yeah, blindfold, yeah.
Oh my god, but later.
Yeah, so if you guys want to see that, comment. So,
guys wanna
I'm gonna
see
go get chips. Bye.
Okay, no way, help me clean. She already left, bro. Okay, so see you guys later. Bye guys. I love you guys.